Hey guys, what's going on? So, I need to replace my cabin air filter, and I figured I'd go on and do a little video about it. This is on a 17 Ford Explorer. It should go all the way back to, I think, 14. Maybe 16, somewhere around there. This one's kind of a pain in the butt to get to because you actually got some pull tabs. I'm trying to see if I can show you where these are at. See this little tab right here? You got to go, we're looking at left to right, so you got to push it to the left to unlock it. Come on, focus. There we go. So you got two of these, one on each side. You got to pull them out so you can get the glove box out, and then after that there will be a little trap door to get it out. And once I get this out, and I'll kind of show you what the tabs look like. Alright, so once you get the tabs out, that's what it kind of looks like. And then underneath here, there's some little tabs right there that are holding this. So you actually got to pop this out on top of that. Like I said, this is hard. Alright, so got it all out. It's not too hard. It's just it's hard because of the position. It's just awkward. So this is what it looks like. And I did break this because I thought I had pulled it all the way out, and I didn't. I didn't even grab it. And then over here as well. You just pop out real quick and you're done. And then you pop out this little thing right there. And then the little door to the filter is right there. Let's see if I can move this. If I remember how to get this off. It's been a little bit. Alright, let me pop it off because it's kind of hard to do this with one hand, and I don't know where my tripod is. Alright, so these little tabs on the bottom, so it goes in like this, and then they got these two tabs. I just used my screwdriver to just pop them out. It's kind of hard to pop it out just by hand. Just use the leverage on the screwdriver. Got that out. And then you just pull this out. It's pretty dirty. Really can't see anything through it. Not exactly directly in the sun. These are good to have now. I mean, I grew up without them, but they do help protect the fan from getting all debris inside of them and all that. So they have their purpose. I got a new one. It's a Frem Febreze. It looks like a better quality filter actually than the OEM. This one's actually looks like it's got a carbon infused to help dissipate some of the smell, and it's not really scented per se, but it looks a little bit better quality. We'll see, time will tell. But I'm gonna actually do another video on how to save a little bit of money on this, where you don't actually have to replace it, because this looks like cotton, and just like any other filters and stuff, you can, you know, if it's cotton, you should be able to clean it. So I'll do another video. I don't want to make this video too long. But yeah, pretty much all you're gonna do is just make sure you line up where it says airflow. So it'll be like that. And then you put it in, do the reverse order. So I just want to keep this video as short as possible. That's pretty much how you do it. I'll put a link in the description for this, and then you can just choose accordingly for your particular vehicle. This is one of the biggest ways to save money. These only are supposed to be changed about 25,000 miles, and you can do it yourself. It's not too hard. It took me literally maybe 8 minutes, 10 minutes at tops once I get everything done. So anyway, Hope you like it. If you like any videos like this, like, subscribe, and you know, we appreciate you watching. And if you have any comments, leave down below. And as always, do what inspires you. Thanks.